Hello and welcome to my channel Nemo's Finds. I'm Nemo, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create viral thumbnails for a YouTube video in a matter of seconds with the help of AI. The tool that I'm gonna be using today, it's called Pikzels, and I'm gonna leave you the link for the free trial in the description down below of this video. So all you need to do is to click on this button here, try for free. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, when you click on this button, try it for free, you need to fill out your information like your name and your email. I skipped this part, and now this is how it looks like when you sign up. So it looks similar to Chat GPT, but it has more feature than ChatGPT does. So all you need to do to get started is to put a text here. What you so here you need to put a text. What is your thumbnail about? So I gonna put here text what I want to create. So I put here the man looks strangely at the camera and wonders. And all now you need to do is to click on this button generate. Now it's generating a thumbnail and it's gonna take about 30 seconds to create a thumbnail. So I'm gonna skip this part. Okay, these are the results. You can see here the AI created what I put it as command, and it has also this watermark here. Um, if you want to use this without watermark, you can upgrade this to a paid plan, and I'm gonna show you also the pricing in the second. So this here is pricing. You have essential package with 2,400 credits, works in any language, thumbnail generator for $14 a month. Then you have a premium ones with all this feature here and 180,000 credits for $28 a month. And then you have a ultimate package with all this feature for $56 a month. This is if you are a professional and you are creating every day a YouTube video, you can use this tool to generate thumbnails for your videos. Now let's go back to the now we are back here. I am using, as you can see, the free version, and for if you want to test out the free version, you have 50 credits that you can use. And for example, if you doesn't don't like what AI generated for you, you can click on this button here, Redo, and it's gonna do another thumbnail for you. So I'm gonna click also on this button here. Okay, this is the second thumbnail that AI generated. It looks much better. And for example, if you click here and edit, you can give instruction to AI what you want to change about the thumbnail. But I don't gonna use this now. However, if you want to create a thumbnail without this watermark for free, I found a way around it, how you can do it. So for example, if you go here to this feature recreate, you can put a link uh, to a thumbnail or a YouTube video, and it's gonna create a similar thumbnail that you choose. So for example, I gonna use this thumbnail here. So I gonna put the link from this YouTube video into Pixels. So I'm gonna do also this in a second. Okay, I put the link from the YouTube video here, and now you can choose here inspiration weight. If you choose low, it's gonna the AI gonna create something similar but with lot of changes. If you choose medium, it's gonna also create a similar thumbnail with little changes, and if you choose high, it's gonna create exactly the same thumbnail, but I would recommend you to choose always medium, because if you create exact same thumbnail that somebody else is already using, first of all, it's not ethical, and second, it's also not original. So I'm gonna choose medium, and I'm gonna click again to generate, and it's gonna take again about 30 seconds to generate a new thumbnail. So I'm gonna skip this part again, and I'm gonna show you the results. These are the results. It looks pretty good, except this watermark. But like I said, there is a way to go around it. So, for example, if you click here on face swap, you can upload here a picture of the thumbnail and a picture of your face. So AI gonna generate a similar thumbnail like this, and it's gonna do also a face swap. So I gonna do this as well. So as you can see here, I put it again the thumbnail that I like, and I put it also the photo of me as well, and I'm gonna click on generate, and let's see what the result gonna be. So it's gonna take again 30 seconds. Now here are the results. As you can see, the face looks very, very similar to me. Like this is like a younger version of me. The thumbnail looks also very similar to this one. Here, if you want to edit it more, you can make some changes, and as you can see now, this thumbnail is without watermark. So basically, you can download it here, and you can use it for your YouTube video. This was it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the content, smash the like button. Also, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm gonna try to do every day a review video about the AI tools that are coming up. As you know, we are on the beginning of the era of AI. It's going nowhere, and it's something that you can use for fun, or even for your business. I use AI in my job and in my business daily. So this was it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.